Section 7. Reforms in the Alternative Learning System. Education for all through alternative learning system. The alternative learning system complements the effort of the formal education system in addressing the basic learning needs of every Filipino, particularly those who are disadvantaged and marginalized. ALS is a parallel learning system that provides a viable alternative to the existing formal education instruction. It encompasses both the non-formal and informal sources of knowledge and skills. The ALS curriculum contains 5 strands based on the operational definition of functional literacy. These skills are communication. Communication involves listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The second one is problem solving and critical thinking. It involves numeracy and scientific thinking. Sustainable use of resources and productivity. It involves ability to earn a living as unemployed or non-employed. Sustainable resources and productivity. The fourth one is development of self and the sense of community. It involves self-development, sense of personal national history, identity, cultural pride, and lastly, recognition or understanding of the civil and political rights. The last one, expanding one's world vision. It involves knowledge, respect, appreciation for diversity, peace and non-violent resolution of conflicts, and global awareness and solidarity. For ALS, mother tongue is necessary for the acquisition of basic literacy skills. Mother tongue, or the language used by the majority in the area, are used as medium of instruction in the language of the learning materials such as modules. The ALS programs. Currently, DepEd provides ALS programs through the Bureau of Alternative Learning. The programs are, first, Basic Literacy Program. Basic Literacy Program caters to the illiterates. It is a community-based educational program for out-of-school children, youth, and adults to develop basic literacy skills. The second one, Accreditation and Equivalency Program. It is offered for illiterates who have not completed 10 years of basic education. A&E is a certification of learning for out-of-school youth and adults aged 15 years old and above, who are unable to avail of the formal school system and who have dropped out of formal elementary or secondary education. After passing the A&E examination, passers have the following opportunities. First, enter college university, enter other non-formal training programs, enter formal training programs, enter or re-enter the world of work, enter or re-enter elementary or secondary formal school system, and learn essential life skills to participate more fully and actively in the political, social, and economic lives in the community. The third one is Indigenous People Education. It is a program that aims to develop an IP culture-sensitive core curriculum, learning materials, and assessment tool instruments. For IP education, the core areas of the curriculum are family life, civic consciousness, environment, health, sanitation and nutrition, economic and income. And the last one, informal education program. It provides opportunities for adolescents, parents, split children to acquire and accumulate knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values for daily experiences at home, at work, at play, and for life itself. To be able to reach as many learners as possible, ALS uses various modes of learning such as face-to-face instruction, radio-based instruction, computer-based instruction, and independent learning.